Hi ulit mga ka-blessings. As you watch the previous video, nakita natin paano mag-share ng one verse evangelism. Ngayon po, share ko po sa inyo yung mga key points na kailangan nating tandaan paano gawin ito na maayos at pati yung follow-up natin. Una po is introduce yourself and build rapport. It's very politely to say po na dapat, especially lalo na pag di natin kilala yung na-share natin, na we introduce ourselves and building a common ground by asking relevant question po sa kanila for them to have a comfortable conversation with us. And politely ask relevant questions. Mas maganda po lahat po ng illustrations po natin na ibibigay sa kanila and questions related dun sa topic na binigay natin. Keep it short and simple. Na mahalaga po yan na mas madaling tandaan, mas magaan, mas mabilis pong matatandaan at maintindihan yung mga sinasabi po natin. After sharing, make sure to ask for their contact info. Yan po. Sa kabila po ng masayang moment po nun, na decision nila to give their life to Jesus, as a sharer po, kailangan po natin to ask their personal info po. Huwag po tayong mahiya. Dahil iyan po yung key natin na ma-follow up po sila for the next process po natin. And lastly po, follow them up and setting an appointment to them, physical man po or online, within 7 to 2 hours. Yan. Diyan po mag-i-start yung pag-build po natin sa kanila ng relationship at pag-share po sa kanila ng startup, yung new lab. And take note po, dapat po nandito po tayo sa time bound na 7 to 2 hours. So yun lang po. Happy sharing. God bless po.